In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could get free items here in Rainbow Six Mobile. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, yes, there are free rewards here in the shop itself in Rainbow Six Mobile, and they're super easy to go ahead and claim. What you're going to want to do is start off on the main menu of R6 Mobile and go over to the shop icon on the left-hand sidebar. Once you're in the shop icon, scroll down till you see any of these areas that says free on it. It looks like the main one is in draw packs right now. Scroll down towards the very bottom of this tab, and that's where you're going to see all these free packs. Now, I actually already have some. As you can see, I can claim these ones right here, as well as claim 5 rewards for just, watching an ad. Now, you can see stuff like currency packs, item packs, limited time rewards, and some rewards can be claimed instantly, and others may require you to watch a short ad to unlock them. But you could get silver bullets, a currency pack, and other in-game rewards. Just tap on the free item to claim it. For example, we'll get another one of these packs real quick. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.